Hello, welcome back. I'm back today with another beading tool idea for you. So this is called a Floss Threader, and I'm showing you the package that mine came in. Okay, so it looks like that. You should be able to find this by the dental floss, toothpaste, toothbrushes, things like that. So this is a tool, this is not my favorite tool. This is a tool that I use as a backup. If I go on vacation and forget my regular beading tools or wire, which has happened, I take a bunch of beads and things to make and then I don't have a beading tool, this is a good backup. It's also super cheap and easy to buy. You can buy them anywhere. So those are advantages that I don't have with the other beading tools. So just showing you what you can do. So you're going to use this just like you would a sewing needle. You're going to put your, you're going to put your stringing material through here, and you're going to put your beads on and put them on like that. And I've got a little demonstration here. So here's my, I'm going to make a keychain. If you haven't seen the keychain video, you can go back and watch, and I break this all down in all the different steps. So this one's ready to go. So I'm going to put this through the big loop, maybe, and just as if it's a sewing needle, okay? And then I'm going to hold that just like I'm going to sew. See, and it pops out really easily. All right, so get that down in there. And then the first thing you want to do is get a bead on there right away. And since these are tiny, this is going to work really well. So I'm going to slide that down, and I'm just going to leave it just like that. And now that's secure. Now it's not going to fall out, and I'm free to bead. And I'm going to put my beads up here above this bead until I'm ready to put it all on. Okay, so I'm going to load that up. So we've got white, then we're going to go with a yellow. And again, just like the other beader, I'm going to really choke up on that. So I've just got a small little tip. I'm going to put that into that bead, and I'm going to pick that up. And you can see I did that all with one hand. And then I'm just going to slide that down a little way. Yep, see, it won't even stay. So just let it hang out there. Okay. So that was yellow. So now white, then I'm going to do an orange bead. Okay. And I'm just going to let that hang out. Now another white one. I hope you can see that technique. So I find the hole in the bead, and then it tips over, and then I pick it up. All right, so that's just hanging out again. Now I'm going to go ahead and push some of this on to my string because I got a little more. Okay. So that's what it looks like right now while I'm working on it. And you can see I don't have to worry about that coming undone. All right, so that was white. I'm going to go yellow. Okay, and I'm just going to slide that down a little bit. Oh, see, slid it too much. That's okay. All right, so now I just have to rethread this. And again, pretend it's a sewing needle. Okay, now I gotta be careful. Kind of gotta hold on to all of this at once. Okay, so I'm slide that on. Okay, there. And now I got another bead right at the top. Okay, and that's going to hold that tight. Sorry, my phone's dinging. Okay, so now we're back in business. All right, so that was a white one. Now I want an orange one. And I keep picking those orange ones up just out of habit, but again, you can do that with one hand. Okay, I don't want to push that on too far. Now goes the yellow. Now goes my last white. Okay, now all my beads are on. So now I'm going to go ahead and slide that down and slide that all the way on. And look how quick that comes out. Okay, so that pops out pretty easy. So now I'm done with my beading tool. Okay, and now my pattern's on. And without a beading tool of some type, I would never have gotten these beads on here. I even tried off camera before I started, and there's no way I can get 2 pieces of this string through that tiny bead right there. Just, it won't happen. Okay, so then I'm just going to tie my knot like I always do. Again, you can watch that other video for my step-by-step instructions. Come on. Okay, and there you have it. There is the Floss Threader, and I'll put this down in the notes. It's called a Floss Threader, and you can buy them on Amazon, but they're not a good price. So you probably want to buy these at the grocery store or Walmart or wherever you buy dental floss, toothbrushes, toothpaste, that kind of stuff. I did look at Dollar Tree and I didn't see any of these there at my most recent visit to Dollar Tree, but who knows, you might be able to find it. Okay, that's it. And remember to like, follow, and ring the bell so you get notifications about new videos. Thanks for watching.